Yo, what's up people, and I'm back again with another video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a screen recording slash audio recorder slash converter slash so many stuff. So, it's a software that does a lot of stuff today. It's a simple software, it's very quick. It is a paid one, but there is a free trial for it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a free trial. And with the free trial I'm able then you're able to just decide if you want to get it or not. It is like a little alternative to OBS. It is just so much less complex than OBS. You don't have to tweak the encoder, you don't have to tweak and like all that stuff that I showed you with the OBS in my previous videos, like 4 videos ago or something. So you know what, let's not waste any time, let's get straight to it. Okay, so of course the first thing you want to do is go to your Google Chrome, type in JoyoShare. Once you type that in, go to the first link right here. Make sure it's not an ad link, and then this is the main home page of the website. Now when you're here, go up here and press download, and then you're able to press download it. Now if you have a Mac computer, an iOS, or an Apple computer, go ahead and just press the Apple one. If you have Windows, press the Windows one. I've got Windows, so I'm going to press Windows. After you've done that, you go ahead and save it to the place you want to save it to. I'll save it to desktop just for easy use. Once you've done that, go ahead and close this and then press this twice. Pretty much open it, and then once you've done that, a little pop-up is going to come up here. Accept the agreement. Next, press this here so a shortcut can be created on desktop, so you don't have to keep searching for it. Next. Give it a few seconds to download. Okay, so once you've done that, you go ahead and press finish. And then this will open right here. It just says like congratulations, like oh thank you for downloading it, and then just go ahead and close this completely, and then you're gonna have this window open, and that's pretty much this. You can go ahead and delete the setup icon slash app if you're done with it. And then once you open it, this will come up right here. So now of course video converter is for you to have the ability to convert your videos from one format to another format. Now let me show you an example of this. So go ahead and press on up here to add, and then you can add your video that you want. So for example, I've got this video right here. You're also able to change the format for it and then convert it by pressing down here. Change the format, say to MOV. Press OK, and then you can convert. So the trial version can only convert 1/3 content for each video. Please buy a license to unlock it. Now of course I told you there is a license for this, and it's a complete buyout. It's only $20 at this moment, so that's about £15 to £14. Pretty cheap if you ask me, and it's a great alternative to OBS. Less complexity, pretty much the same kind of high definition quality content to be uploaded. And it's pretty much the same thing, except this one is paid and the other one is more complex as OBS. This one's paid and less complex. OBS is complex and free. So it just depends what your preference is. Press continue, and it will give you the percentage here of 1%, 2%, 3%. Until it's 100% converted, you can't really do much about it. And then of course when you use 100% converted, you go ahead and download it when it's done. But just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna press cancel and move on to the next thing. Now of course the next thing is going to be, of course, the thing that's quite annoying about this is that you need to, every time you use something, you need to actually go back and open the thing, which is a bit annoying, but it's not that deep, to be honest. Now I'll show you the video converter. Let's show you the video cutter. You can cut up the video as you like. Now if you want to cut, say you want to cut if you're recording a video and you want to cut it from one part to one part, of course go ahead and add the video, press the video that you want. So I'm gonna do this. So you want to cut the video from, you press where you want it to go. Say I want to cut the video from like 1 minute, and then 1 minute, and I want to cut it down to like 10 minutes, for example. Press start. It will say the trial version could only provide 5 opportunities to cut and convert the videos. Please buy the full version to remove the limitation. Of course, like I said, there are some limitations with this free version. It is a free trial, which is normal. But if you want to go ahead and buy it, that is your decision. But I'm currently just showing the free trial, just so that you can make your own decision on to pay it or not. You could press continue, and then it has pretty much cut it up, and then you're able to just download it wherever you want. It's just quite easy. You go to download. Now, of course, once that's done, you can go ahead and just open up the output folder. It will create its own folder for you in, you know, wherever it is. So for me, it's created the folder in C drive. You can't really change it, it's just up to the program, and you're able to go, you know, go ahead and find it and then pretty much do it yourself. So if I was to press on this, it pretty much starts from pretty much one video up until where you cut it up. So that's pretty much the video cutter. It's quite straightforward, quite easy, and of course I have to do the thing again. So the next one is called Video Joiner. It's literally in the name. You can go ahead and just join 2 videos up. Press start, plus. You can pretty much just join up. You know, say you want to join this video up and this video up. Press open, and then it's pretty much just joined up now. Like it's like that's it. That is literally it. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and find opportunities to merge. Press continue. And it will just save it to the file that you've pretty much put up, which is, you know, you put the file right here, you press this button here, and then you do it. But for the sake of this video, as usual, I'm gonna go and stop it, just so that I can, you know, show you guys what you need to do. And then you have video compressor, which is a way to compress down your files from, say, if you have like a 10 megabyte file and you want to compress it down to 6 megabytes. You compress it by 40%. You know, it's the output that you'd like, so you want to convert, you know, depends on how much you want to compress it. So I want to compress it by 40%. You go ahead and do it there. Add your file by pressing up here. It's a video file, of course, and then you can just bring up the file here and press compress. Of course, the trial version exports video with a watermark. Now, a watermark is like a little it's like a, you know, it's like a little mark on a video that pretty much represents where you got the video from, or who, you know, who made the video for you, pretty much. So it's like a little watermark. So for this program, we'll say JoyoShare, and it's like, it says, oh, you know, I did this through JoyoShare. It's a little bit annoying, but to get rid of it, you know, you have to actually buy the license, which is normal, like I said. And then, you know, it just pretty much compresses the video. It takes a little bit of time, as you can see, you know, 1%, and it goes up in, you know, in thirds. But yeah, let's go ahead and go into the recording part now. So you obviously open back up this, and then you go to the record area here. You have audio recorder, you have screen recorder. Press on screen recorder if you want to screen record, and then I'll show you everything you need to do. This is not it, by the way. I'll just show you what you need to actually do first. So go ahead and pick the capture area. If you want it to be full screen, you can put full screen, but just so I can just show you what to do 1920. And then you are also able to adjust the computer audio, system audio on, if you want it loud, if you're playing a video, you want it to be low if you're playing a video. This is what, I know, how they're gonna hear you. Now you can pick your own microphone and adjust the volume of the microphone, whether you want it to be very high or you want it to be very low, which is very, very good. And of course you have the record button here, but you need to actually tweak this right here. Now this is easy. Let me go ahead and show you it quickly. Now, where do you want to save the, you know, recording to? Put it wherever you want it to be, you know, easy access for yourself. Format is, you know, how you want the format to be. Whether you want it to be HD MP4, you want it to be a general video MP4. It is, or you want it like a, you know, like a format for like a phone. Now for you, if you want a high quality, do a HD MP4. Press OK, and then that's, you know, that's what the format is. Now for shortcuts, it's very, very easy. If you know, to start and stop the capture, you can adjust it to be F1 or F2. As so, I don't know why it's not doing it for me. You can make it as F1 or F2. You can make it, you know, you can do pause, resume is F2 or whatever you want it to be. So you want to do it as F5, you go ahead and press F5. You can also take a screenshot by pressing F9. Of course, you can change this. I don't know why it's not letting me change it right now, but you can change this, as you know, it's quite easy by just pressing a key like D, if as so, or you want to press F9. So it's just it's very, very easy. Now of course you want to go ahead and just make it as F9 if you want. A watermark is very, very, you know, it's a normal thing that you'd want to use if you're recording. So if you have your own watermark, if you have your own logo, put the watermark file on here, and it will just display around the video as, you know, as you like. You know, by adding it, you can also adjust where you want it: top, left, right, middle. Don't put it in the middle. You can put it left, right, bottom, left, and bottom right. I love how they put it in as like a video. So that's left, that's the right, and the left. Okay, quite nice, quite easy. Now for the record time option, I recommend not to use this because it's like it dictates when. Well, of course you put it down, but it also says, oh, after a certain amount of time, stop recording. You know, but just for the sake of it, I'm gonna show you. So if you want to start and record at 1 minute, you go ahead and just put 1 minute on here. So you put press on here. The last seconds you press on here, and then you go up as you'd like. And of course, if you want to stop after an hour, just go up here and put 1. Okay. Now for cursor options, it is very unnecessary. It's pretty much what the cursor looks like when you start recording. If you want it to be like this or you want it to be like that, you know, it's pretty much whatever you like and prefer. And that's pretty much for the recording part. And of course, to press record, you press this record button right here and record. And once you've done that, make sure you press the key that you've assigned to stop capture. Otherwise, stopping the video is going to be it's impossible after that. So make sure you've assigned a accessible key that you're able to stop. And by pressing record, you can press F1, or to end record, you can press F1 again. Okay, now let's go on to the audio capture. Very easy, very simple. You press on it. You put down the mic that you want to pretty much listen. You want your mic to listen to. You can adjust the volume of your mic right here, which is quite nice. You can, and then of course to press record, you press this record button right here, the red one, and then record as you like. I recommend to not touch these buttons at all because they can mess up your recording. So leave it as be, and that's pretty much it for the recording part. Now you have some more areas as repair. So if you've recorded, if you're halfway through recording and your computer pretty much crashes, you're able, and then your video corrupts or like semi corrupts, you're able to bring the video on here and try to repair it. Of course, there's no guarantee repairing a corrupt video because it's pretty much impossible to do that. And of course, you put the video down and to repair it. Now for watermark wizard, if you've got a video online and you want to remove the watermark for it, you're able to. Now of course, with this you can't remove you can't really completely remove a watermark unless you want to remove the actual area of the video, which is a bit annoying, but it's pretty much possible. It's how technology is right now. You can go ahead and choose what you want. You can add a watermark to an image or a video. You can remove a watermark of an image or a video, which is quite nice. And that is pretty much it. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for the recent support on my last video. It was just amazing to see how much support I got from it. I hope you did find this video very informative and very nice. I hope you do guys consider using this JoyoShare. It's very nice. I personally use OBS because it's just simpler for me. I've been using OBS for pretty much a year now, and I've loved it ever since. Of course, with OBS you are taking into account that you're using your computer's processing power. Of course, with this as well, you're going to be using your computer processing power as well, which is normal with downloaded softwares for screen recording or audio recording. So like I said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification button whenever I upload. Put down in the comments what you guys want me to do in the next videos or the upcoming videos. I'm open to suggestions as always, and I'll see you guys later. I've been Preview. Peace.